Timothy, today I'm doing the Nerf Elite challenge. This is the Nerf Elite board. So there's 1, 2, 3, I'm going to be doing 2, which is got 30 seconds to get as many scores as possible. Got a bunch of theirs there, so let's start it. Can you hit it once I've started? Mm-hmm. 3, 2, 1, go!
Hit 50!
Straight away! Shame I didn't see that. Damn it, I missed it. I think I used up all my luck. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to be hitting it for a while.
Come on, get 150.
I hit 10. Ted, you keep showing the ball.
I hit 20, but it didn't count.
I got 60 points. What's that?
Pretend to be a ballerina.
Damn it! That's the worst one I could possibly get. So, I've got pretend to be a ballerina.
That says pretend to be a ballerina.
Yep.
Wow.
Okay, so I'm gonna start it again. Ted, you'll go? Yeah.
Riley, do you want to be in the video?
Yeah. Okay, my brother's in the video now. Okay, I will film Ted's because we don't actually have a cameraman, we're doing it ourselves. So, Ted's passing it over to me now. There you go, Ted, gun. There you go. There's the board, I'm just going to set it up. Yeah. Are you ready, Ted? Okay, so, got select and...
This is a broken bar.
Ready, Ted?
Wait, let me just reload. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, nice, that was a 10. Let's just show Ted for one go. Oh my god, Ted hit 50.
You should have got that on camera.
Yeah, I know, I should have. I'm just going to show it for the rest of the go in case he gets another 50.
I hit 20 right at the end.
Ted got
100.
100 points. Oh no, do it again. You again. You got even for the next round.
I think that hit 20.
Got a 10. I don't know how many points he's got. Okay. That was 50.
Pretend to be a ballerina.
Ted's got 150 points. He almost made it up, but he's got to pretend to be ballerina still. So
it's Riley's turn.
Yep, so let's do Ted on pretend to be a ballerina. T. Now it's Riley's turn.
Let me just get the handful of bullets.
If you don't know, that's actually my initials, HT. Crazy, right? Mine Ted's names together. And backwards it's Ted Hall. Okay, you ready, guys? I'm going to film the board for the rest of this.
I'm just loading the gun for Riley.
Because in case Riley gets 50, I do not want to miss another 50 on camera. So I'm going to be filming that board.
Okay.
Let me start it. 3, 2, 1, go!
Huh? Oh, there's no bullet in it.
Okay.
Quick, reload. Go.
Oh, he missed. Just be aware, my brother is only 6. You'll be seeing us doing our dares at the end.
Let's say if you get no points, you don't do any dares.
No. You have to do all the dares if you get no points.
Why?
Okay, I'm going to show Riley for this round.
0.
Okay. Comment down below if you want us to do another video. Actually, no. Do another video of this. Yeah, I think Ted's right. So let's see. Riley.
5 push-ups.
5 push-ups. Do you want to do 5 push-ups? No. One-handed push-ups, in fact. That's your one.
I want to do ballerina.
You can't. I'm sorry. You got 0. Okay, you ready to see our dares?
Yep.
Oh wait, no, my brother got 30. No, we didn't. 0. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to do all our dares. I'm not sure my brother's going to think this one to it. Oops, just dropped it.
He might come back.
He might, yeah. Should do his dares. Or maybe he doesn't want to do 5 push-ups. Chelsea isn't that many. I'll say we're being nice for the last score. Would you? Okay, right guys, ready? Ted, you film me doing being a ballerina? Right. Okay, I'm gonna do it for 30 seconds. Get my stopwatch. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm getting dizzy.
5 more seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Been 30 seconds.
That's mine.
Now videoing me doing ballerina.
Ted doing ballerina for 30 seconds. Let me just stop my stopwatch a minute. Okay. Ted, you start yours.
My stopwatch is going on from the last time.
Ah.
Hold on, just resetting it. 3, 2,
1, go.
I don't know how ballerinas dance.
No, I don't either. I think it's just like spins and that. Sorry about any ballerinas watching this. We seriously don't know.
3 seconds.
He has done. Riley, you're there. 5 push-ups. Okay, should we let him off doing the dare of ballerina that he wants to do apparently? Yeah! Did I hear you audience say yeah? Yeah! Okay, Riley, you can do ballerina.
Oh, God.
He seemed upset. He wanted to do it though, so.
Guys, be quiet, audience.
Okay. Wait, I'm going to start my stopwatch a minute.
I'll clean the bullets.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds.
9, 8, 7, 6,
3,
5,
2,
4,
1.
3.
Okay, you can stop now. Riley has just been a ballerina. So, guys, can you hold this to do so I can do my extra? I've liked this video. Okay, so just gonna get a camera on me. Right, if you like this video, subscribe. Please, can you get me to 50 subscribers? I'm almost there. I'm at 47 subscribers. 3 more of you subscribe out there. Okay? That's been long subscribers. Comment how you think and goodbye.